Gentlemen, if a woman is ignoring you, here are 7 rules to make her regret it and keep your dignity intact. Rule number 1. Never double text. Don't beg for her attention. One message is enough. Let silence speak for itself. Rule number 2. Accept it. Move on mentally. Don't dwell on it. A true gentleman moves forward and doesn't chase what's not meant for him. Rule 3. Level up. Do not linger. Focus on self-improvement. Hit the gym, grow your career, and build your life. Let her see you thrive without her. Amidst the bustling coffee shop, a deliberate encounter unfolds as the man casually bumps into the woman. He remains calm and indifferent, projecting an air of nonchalance with cool and calm demeanor. With a brief acknowledgement, his confident expression shines as he smoothly transitions back into his conversation, unfazed by the encounter. Rule 4. Stay cool and unbothered. Amidst the lively ambiance of a crowded bar, a man revels in laughter and camaraderie, embodying the essence of a thriving social life. Rule 5. Keep your social game strong. Live your life. Keep hanging out with friends, sharing experiences, and showing that you're not waiting for her. Enjoy your time with friends, so she knows you are not fazed by her rude avoidance. In a sleek apartment, a well-dressed man prepares to step out, his phone a mere accessory to his composed demeanor. His calm reflects an aura of independence and a life brimming with engagements. Rule 6. Master the art of mystery. Don't always be available. Create curiosity by being less accessible and make her wonder what you're doing. A man strides forward with unwavering resolve, leaving a silent wake of unspoken possibilities behind. Her gaze lingers, a blend of curiosity and contemplation etched upon her face as she witnesses his departure. Rule 7. Be ready to walk away. A knowing smile dawns upon his face, hinting at the liberation found in decisive action. A high-value man doesn't beg for attention, he attracts it. Remember, you're the prize. If you would like to learn about some amazing products and services to aid you in your journey, please take a look at the links in the description. Thank you for watching, and you would be so kind as to like, comment, and subscribe. You are awesome.